Hey there, Vinay Yadav here again, and this time I have brought a video in which I'll be telling you all that which are those YouTube channels which I used for my preparation in CA Inter. So as you guys were telling me, you were asking me for those YouTube channels, so I thought that I should make a video, separate video on that, in which I'll be revealing that which are those YouTube channels which I used in my CA Inter preparation, which you can use in your May 2023 attempt or November 2023 attempt, and also in further attempts as well. So let's get started. I'll be telling you which are those YouTube channels for all the 8 subjects of CA intermediate examination, and I'll be telling you these YouTube channels on which the free content is available for you, so that you can study from those channels without paying any money for those lectures. Like, these are some of the demo lectures, I would say, and some of them are total lectures as you will purchase from the coaching classes, and some of them are as usual freely available. I'll be telling you in further video. So let's get started with that. So before starting, I would like to tell you this is not a promotional video that where I'll be promoting any YouTube channel or something like that, but this is a helpful video, you can say educational video, where I'll be telling you on your demand that you guys were asking for those YouTube channels. So this is not a promotional video, and this is also not an exhaustive list of YouTube channels which I'll be telling you all in my further section of this video. So this is not an exhaustive list. You can go for any other videos also. There are many channels available on YouTube which you can follow for your preparation. So this is not an exhaustive as well, and these are my recommendation, I would say. And you can follow other YouTube channels as well. They are also very good, and this video will not be faculty specific also. There are many faculties which are available. This is just to give insightful idea to those people who are studying with self-study, so that they can directly go to the YouTube, and they get prevented from wasting their time on searching for those YouTube channels. So that's all. Let's get started. So starting with paper number 1, accounting. For this I followed the channel name is ICI Tube, which is a channel by the ICI itself, and it is a comprehensive. You can get any lectures, like for every subject, for every CA level. This channel is available. It is dedicated to the CA students only, which where the faculties upload videos on every subject, on every topic, and this is the best one. I would say for every subject. I would say you can get any lecture, like for every subject, any point, every lecture, whole coverage is given over here. So this is one for which I followed for accounting, ICI Tube. Then Anand Bhangadia sir, very well known faculty, I would say, and of Swapnil Patni classes. And next is the CA Intermediate, Unacademy CA Intermediate Group 1 channel, where you will find the accounting lectures. In that specifically I learned from Nitin Goyal sir. His videos were very comprehensive to me for that particular subject. So this is all about accounting subject. Coming to the next subject, that is paper number 2, corporate law and other laws. In that I followed Shubham Singhal sir. I met with him, I watched his lecture first from ICI CA Tube, and then subsequently on ICI Tube. After ICI CA Tube, he subsequently opened his own channel, and where I used to follow him, whatever the lecture he used to upload. So I used to watch them all. And another one is that I used to watch the marathon of Harsh Gupta sir, who comes from IGP classes, and he's very both of them are very pioneer in their subject, I would say. And I found them very best, best of best, I would say, for this subject particularly. They are very I would say they are best for me. I was like, they give a whole coverage, and they explain the concepts like nobody else can, for me at least. So they are the best of their subject, I would say. For law, these two people are. So next is paper number 3, costing. So in costing, what I followed is that I used to watch all the lectures. Like, first I used to watch all the chapters. So Purushottam Agarwal sir and CA Rahul Garg sir, I used to watch their marathon for conceptual clarity, and they are also very good in teaching. I found them very good for me. The lecture uploaded by them are very comprehensive one, and they explain the concept very well. What I feel is that for them. and this is all about costing, paper number 3. You can follow other people also, like other faculties are also available, but for me, what worked is that their lectures worked for me. Coming to the paper number 4, I would like to say that the god of as known as a god of direct tax is that Bhavan Burana sir, and another one is that taxation with Sahil Jain. So taxation with Sahil Jain, he is also a very good faculty, I would say. His lectures are very good, and his lectures include income tax and GST as well. And another one is that for GST I had followed is Jasmeet Singh sir, CA Jasmeet Singh sir. He used to teach GST very well, and his lectures are also available on YouTube. So paper 5 is that advanced accounting. For advanced accounting, I followed Anand Bangadia sir again. Whatever the chapter specific videos are available on YouTube, I followed them. And next is that Rahul Garg sir. He used to upload marathon, so I followed his marathon. Like I watched his marathon, and by watching those marathon, I used to solve the question and all. So these are the two faculties which I taken into consideration for paper number 5 of CA intermediate. So this is all about advanced accounting, paper number 5. So coming to the subject, paper number 6, auditing and assurance. This is a subject where I have took classes for this subject. So I followed for lectures Kapil Goyal sir, because I have purchased his classes for this subject. And when I used to revise, then I came up with many videos of Neeraj Arora sir as well. So I followed him also for marathon, and I would say once I watched the marathon of Neeraj Arora sir, and also watched the marathon of Kapil Goyal sir as well. So because I wanted to explore that how it is different, or like what is the way of teaching of everyone's is different. So I wanted to explore, and I found both of them to be very pioneer for their subject. So this is all about paper number 6, I would say. Coming to the paper number 7, Eis and SM. So for Eis SM, I watched the videos of CA Kishan Kumar. He has his dedicated channel to for that particular subject, Eis SM, and he used to teach on Unacademy as well. So I got one playlist of him where he taught all the CA intermediate Eis and SM as well. So I have completed the course from there. The free playlist is available on YouTube. And Murugesh Madlani sir, he is known for EIS, I guess. I watched his marathon for EIS, and for SM marathon I watched Amit Tetet sir. So these are the faculties for EISSM, and this was also a self study. This is not where I took coaching from any of the faculty. Whatever the videos were available on the YouTube, I watched them. Coming to the last paper of a CA intermediate, it is paper number 8, FM and Eco. So in FM Eco, what happened that I took coaching from CA Aditya Jain sir, and he's also very good in teaching. What I feel is that because he drills down the concept and he goes into depth of that concept. And with that, I would say that CA Aditya Jain sir's marathon is also available on YouTube, and other faculties marathon like CA Rahul Garg's marathon is also available on YouTube. So I watched a little bit of that also when I used to get time. So after completing my own faculty's marathon, and for as I earlier said that I had took coaching for this subject FM Eco from Aditya Jain sir. And this is all about paper number 8. So this is the list of YouTube channels which I followed in my preparation, and I feel that you guys have got some insightful ideas from this video, that which channel to follow and which should not. And also you will find these YouTube channels on YouTube by searching their name. And what I feel is that you need to study from your side as well, because their work is to teach you, and what most matters in the CA course at all levels is that how much you study. So you need to give your push as well. They will teach you, but they will not going to ensure you that you will going to pass by studying from me. So what you have to do is you have to do self study as well. And as you guys were demanding for this YouTube channels list, so I came up with this list, and whatever the other topics you want from my side, you can comment down in the comment section below. And with that, I would like to say that hashtag be a game changer in your life with whatever the resources you are having, and in what situation you are. Because in today's age, I would say that on YouTube and other I would say that on internet everything is available. The thing which is required is that you need to ask for that. You need to ask for that. You need to know that how you can find those things. So don't feel like that you are not having ample resources for your preparation or something. Just go with that internet and search whatever you want, and try to find whatever you want in your preparation. I would say that section by section explanation is available on the YouTube and other platforms. So what you can do is that just you need to have that eagerness to learn, I would say. And with that eagerness to learn, you can explore the resources, and you can ace any of the examination, I would say. I have heard that people are cracking the toughest examination in the world, or you can say in India, at least, without coaching and with the resources available on internet. So what you need is that, I feel, is that what you need is the eagerness to learn, the eagerness to learn. And the results will be determined by your dedication. So how much dedication you have. With that, I would like to sign off. So if you guys are having any query about any other particular subject or any academic or life in general, so you can reach out to me on the social platform, for which the link is pinned in the about section, and you can also comment down below in the comment section. I'll try to reply as soon as possible. So thank you so much for watching this video.